Hey guys, Donald Miller here. And, if I didn't know any better, this would be like a great April Fool's joke. But this is serious. So I get a phone call at like 2:30 this afternoon. And it's an older gentleman. You can tell he's older. He's probably maybe in his seniors. And he's buying a house in Boyertown. And he goes, "Do you specialize in knob and tube?" "Yes, I do. That's all we do." I'm buying a house, and the seller is saying that they took care of all the knob and tube for $700. Okay. Good luck with that one. I asked him, I was like, "Do you really want the house? Because there's no way you're getting rid of $700. There's no way $700 is getting rid of knob and tube. Like, not going to happen." No, they're serious. So I come over here, and I'm over here to do a knob and tube evaluation. And I'm going to show you what I see right off the bat when I walk in. And you tell me how the seller is guaranteeing he removed the knob and tube. The seller is going to get sued if this goes to settlement and he put on paper that they remediated all the knob and tube. I'm telling you now, someone's going to get sued on this one. So, cool front door. It's right in the heart of Boyertown. First thing I see, come on, really? Yeah, okay. So I open that up. You're telling me there's no knob and tube there? All right, so here we go. So I turn around. Here's more. I'm not done yet. So, guys, that's a knob and tube outlet. And I haven't even walked that much further into the house. So we're going to go further though. All right, we're going to go down the basement. I want to see what these knuckleheads did for $700 to try to hide the knob and tube. So let's see what they did. So this is how they're hiding the knob and tube. Does that look hidden? No. And this is how they're guaranteeing that they're remediating knob and tube. I don't see how that's possible. Here's another one. This armored cable, see how it's like not shiny? This is BX, okay? That has knob and tube in it. All right. So I don't know what. Like, look at this. Look at this crap. What is that? What? Like, I'm sorry, but just because you call yourself an electrician doesn't mean you're one. I would call you a hack, if anything. Like, I wouldn't even give you the respect to call you a hack. I would call you an idiot, okay? Because at least a hack knows how to at least make it work correctly. There's another piece of knob and tube. All right, so like some of this is okay. Like I guess, like if you're, putting lipstick on a pig, but dude, you got knob and tube right there. So we're gonna keep moving here. Let's see what other stupid shit we can find. Balloon framing. So this is balloon framing, guys. It's most of the time. See that? See the gap right in there? So back in the day, they used to believe the house should breathe from the attic to the basement. So you can see the balloon framing here. Now, imagine a fire starting in your basement and just going up the walls all around you while you sleep. You're basically entombed in a fire. Oh, dude, check this guy out. Dude, they're not even attempting. They're not even attempting to remove the knob and tube. And this is what they're stating that they're going to take care of before they go to closing. Okay. Someone's going to get sued. Wow. What? What is that? What is this, like it's not even shrink tubing. If it was shrink tubing, they could have shrunk it. It looks like they used a car tire hose. Or, I'm sorry, a bike tire, an inner tube. Wow. Dude, these guys slipped and fell into stupid. Like, what were they thinking? Dude, I love it. I love it. I seriously love the stupidity of people sometimes. So needless to say, once again, never believe a real estate agent. Never believe the seller, okay? If you are thinking about buying a house that has knob and tube in it, or any house built before 1930, get it professionally inspected by a guy who's looking just for knob and tube. So this house is about a $13,000 to a $15,000 rewire, okay? Now, don't get me wrong, you can put lipstick on a pig and do it for $8,000, okay? But what that $8,000 rewire, by all means, there's no quality involved in that rewire. You're slamming hammers and you're running fast, okay? If you're gonna get this thing done like decently, like quality driven, meaning, proper floor protection, AFCI breakers, like a proper rewire where like someone can come in and be like, I can rest my head here and, nothing's gonna happen. 13,000, maybe to 15. God bless, watch the hacks, and don't buy a house without getting it inspected.